In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a news website on Google Sites. We're going to keep this simple and beginner friendly, so if you've never built a website before, don't worry. Google Sites is a great option because it's free, easy to use, and designed for quick page building without needing any coding. For a basic news style website, it gives you a clean starting point that you can customize to match the kind of content you want to publish. To begin, go to Google Sites. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the area where you can create a new site. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access the editor and save your work as you go. This is where all of your website building will happen, and it's also where you can come back later to continue editing or updating your content. After that, click on Blank Site. This opens a fresh, empty website template, which is the best place to start if you want full control over the look and structure of your new site. Using a blank site lets you build your layout from scratch instead of working around a pre-made design. That can be especially helpful for a news website where you may want a clear homepage, space for featured stories, and organized sections for different types of updates. Once the blank site opens, the next step is to edit it. This is where you turn the empty page into an actual news website. Start by replacing the default title with the name of your site. Then update the header area so it reflects the style and purpose of your content. You can add text sections, images, and layout blocks to create a homepage that feels structured and easy to read. For a news site, clarity is important, so try to keep the design clean and make sure your main stories stand out. As you edit, pay attention to spacing, section titles, and how information flows from top to bottom. A good news website should feel organized and easy to scan. You can also preview your site as you work to see how it will look to visitors before publishing it. That's a useful way to catch formatting issues early and make sure everything appears the way you want. Take your time with this part, because the editing stage is where your site really comes to life. Once your content and design look right, you'll be in a strong position to continue building and refining your website. And that's the basic process for getting started with a news website on Google Sites.